Hey, Algebra 2, just want to take a minute to go over the LFR2 Quick Quiz 2. Go Lions. That's not working out very well right now. They're playing the Packers. Anyway, so let's go ahead and take a look at this business. Determine the X and Y intercepts. Use them to graph the equations. We remember here that when I'm trying to find the X intercept, we set Y equal to 0 and solve for X. So I end up with negative 4X equals 16. Divide both sides by negative 4 and X equals negative 4. In other words, X is negative 4 and Y is 0. That point goes there. Y-intercept, you set X equal to 0, solve for Y. So you get 8Y equals 16. Divide both sides by 8, and you get Y equals 2. Right? Y equals 2. When X is 0, Y is 2. Don't make the mistake of putting negative 4, 2 as a point. This is not it. That is not the solution. You've got two different intercepts. Use them to graph the equation. Notice I've drawn the line through and put arrows at the end. Both of those things are necessary. Okay. Next one here. Same thing. When you're trying to find the x-intercept, you set y equal to 0. You get negative 4x equals 12. Divide both sides by negative 4. X equals negative 3. Negative 3, 0. Try to find the y-intercept. You set x equal to 0. Negative 3y equals 12. Y equals negative 4. Plot your second point, 0, negative 4. It is not the combination of the x and y. It is not negative 3, negative 4. It is not that right there. Do not plot that. That will not help you make a graph, not help you make a line. Okay, last part. We have, okay, this is where most people made the mistake. Determine and interpret. Determine and interpret. So you got to tell me what's going on with it, okay? Determine and interpret the x and y intercepts, then graph the function using the intercepts. Okay, Connor's running a 10-kilometer cross-country race. He runs 1 kilometer every 4 minutes. Connor's distance from the finish line after x minutes is represented by the function f of x equals 10 minus 1/4 x. If you remember correctly, f of x is the same as y. There we go. So y equals 10x minus 1/4 x. I found my x and y intercepts down here. To find my x-intercept, I set y equal to 0 and solve for x. Okay, subtract 10 from both sides or add 1/4 x to both sides. You're going to end up with the same thing. When you divide by a fraction, you need to flip and multiply. X is 40. What does 40 mean? 40 means it took him 40 minutes to run 10 kilometers or to be 0 kilometers away from the finish line. Okay, y-intercept, set x equal to 0, you get y equals 10 minus 0, or just y equals 10. What does 10 mean? Well, at 0 minutes, he starts 10 kilometers away from the finish line. Distance from finish line, it's right there, okay? This is a case when you're not gonna draw arrows through these things. You're gonna have a line segment. 0, 10, 40, 0, put the line between them. Why does it not go past these things? Well, let's see. Once he gets down to here, once he gets to the finish line, he's not going to keep running. That's not how races work. Back here in time, you can't start in a negative time. I mean, if you want to talk about negative time, if you know how to do that, let me know. Make a lot of money on that, okay? Make sure you do all three things. That's why I put them in bold. Determine, interpret, graph. Do those things. Have a great day.